Building an AI-powered gaming bot is way easier than it used to be, and here is the fast breakdown. Step 1. Pick your game. Most people test bots on strategy or grind-heavy games because that's where AI really shines. Step 2. Choose your framework. You can use Python with OpenAI API or Go No Code with tools like NAN or BotPress to connect AI logic with game actions. Step 3. Teach the bot the rules. Feed it the game mechanics like movement, cooldowns, or win conditions, so the AI knows what success looks like. Step 4. Add automation. For PC games, connect it with tools like Auto Hotkey or Playwright to actually press keys on run command. Step 5. Train it smarter. Use AI models for decision making, for example, reinforcement learning or just a lightweight GPT agent that reacts to what's happening on the screen. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.